In the past decade, Elon Musk has been ruling the headlines with exploding rockets, combusting Teslas, and now the SpaceX leader wants to build his own space-centric colony in Boca Chica in South Texas. In 2014, SpaceX proposed the construction of a rocket launch base on the shores of Boca Chica Village, a town that many described as a ghost town. There, many abandoned houses sat slowly degrading in the Texas heat. The road was not an easy one, but in 2019 SpaceX was able to start testing plans for the various prototypes of its revolutionary spacecraft there. Elon Musk has had a fruitful 2021. He is clearly driving his companies beyond limits, with so many proposed inventions and projects this year. Elon Musk certainly has a futuristic vision for technology and its evolution. Musk is not just a CEO, he speaks the language of the internet too. So just like everyone else, we are here to answer all the questions you have of the great city of the future, Starbase. Are you constantly curious? Then why not subscribe to Infiniti Insight for more videos like this one? Ring the bell for more fascinating content, and make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Starbase is the official name for the SpaceX Starship launch site. The SpaceX launch site is also known as the Boca Chica launch site. It is a private rocket production facility, test site and spaceport built by SpaceX in Boca Chica, approximately 32 kilometers east of Brownsville, Texas on the U.S. Gulf Coast. Its stated purpose when it was first founded was to provide SpaceX with an exclusive launch site that would allow the company to accommodate its launch manifest and meet tight launch windows. Boca Chica Village, which used to be a beachside community, was a haven for retirees and outdoor enthusiasts who enjoyed dirt biking, fishing, or lounging near the water. Today, the highway leading out of the area, which is now home to only a few dozen people, can be seen locked with heavy traffic of observers. During the day, tourists flock to the road to take selfies with the stainless steel spaceship under construction. Excavators plow the earth at busy construction sites at night. Residents are notified prior to test launches and are advised to temporarily evacuate for their own safety. As unpleasant as that sounds, locals claim Musk's company used heavy-handed tactics to evict some residents or pressured them into selling their homes to make room for the facility. Musk announced in March of this year that he will donate $30 million to Brownsville in order to get the project started. The total amount will be divided as follows: $20 million will be given to county schools and $10 million will be used to revitalize Brownsville. Musk previously stated that Starbase will house thousands of people within a few years. He also intends to bring on board engineers, technicians, and other specialized personnel into this area. Musk's plans for Starbase City are unknown. SpaceX did not respond to a request for comment, and Musk has only provided a few hints on Twitter. Planning appears to be in its early stages. SpaceX officials expressed their interest in incorporation during a conversation with Cameron County's legal department, of which Boca Chica Village is a part, but neither Musk nor the company has turned in the necessary paperwork to begin the process. Given his plans to incorporate the village and surrounding area into a much larger city known as Starbase, Musk will need to put on his city planner hat in order to legally transform the Boca Chica Village area, and it doesn't happen out of anywhere. Musk announced plans to relocate to Texas last year before announcing plans to build his next Tesla factory near East Austin, but before he can begin work on his new city, SpaceX must first meet a few population and territorial requirements in order to build Starbase. Many of Musk's wild ideas have taken off while others have not. Based on his track record, it appears that Musk will be able to build Starbase. However, the world knows a little about Musk's utopian world. What are your thoughts on this? Would you like to live there? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. We hope this video has given you some insight and maybe inspired you. If you like the video, give it your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so. Click on the bell to always receive notifications about new videos. Thanks for watching Infiniti Insight.